Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix EA Sports FC 26 if it's not launching or won't launch on PC, especially on Steam or even the EA app. First up, or first fixed, open up your Steam app or the EA app and then just find the settings section, okay? Click on settings. If you had a download section on your EA app, click on it and click on clear cache. Once done, just wait for the process to finish, and after that, go ahead and check if it helps. If that doesn't work, find your library and then find the game, okay? So for example, this one is EA FC 26. Well, just right click on it, click on properties. I think on the EA app, when you click on the game, it says manage, okay? So go ahead and click on manage and verify the game files. So for Steam, click on install files and verify integrity of game files. All right, wait for the process to finish. And once that's done, hit on play and check if it helps. If that still won't work, let's go ahead and navigate to the directory. Manage right here and browse local files. So for the EA app, manage and I think open properties. Okay, just click on it and it will open up the games directory. So what you're going to do is just find the game's exe. So in your case, it would be named fc26.exe. So just right click on it, click on properties, then compatibility right here. Disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator. After that, hit on apply and then hit on OK. And once that's done, hit on play right here and you should be good to go. Now, if that still won't work, another tip right here, or last two tips, okay? You can go ahead and open up your graphics card application. It could be NVIDIA app or the AMD Adrenaline or even the Intel app. Okay, just go to the drivers tab and make sure that you have installed all the available update, okay? And once that's done, restart computer. And after that, check if it helps. Lastly, if that doesn't work, well, I have a solution here for you, which you can go ahead and check. Just make sure that you know your computer specifications. For example, on your search bar, just type down system information, okay? Click on it, and then you're going to want to find the baseboard manufacturer and baseboard product. As you can see here, my motherboard is ASRock B550M Pro 4. Now, let's go ahead and use that information. ASRock B550M Pro 4, enable secure boot, okay? Yours may be different. It could be ASUS or whatever, okay? So just write down enable secure boot and you'll be able to find a ton of instructions right here, as well as AI instructions. Okay, follow that to enable the secure boot under your BIOS, and then after that, everything should work perfectly fine now. If that is that. That is how you fix EA Sports FC 26 if it's not launching or won't launch on PC, Steam, and EA app. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.